Snakes are capable of moving or exhibiting reflexive behaviors even after their heads have been severed from their bodies due to a phenomenon known as reflexive or post-decapitation activity. This is a result of the unique physiology and anatomy of snakes, particularly their nervous system and muscular structure. When a snake's head is severed, it does not immediately lose all function. Here's why. Nervous system. Snakes have a distributed nervous system, with clusters of nerve cells located not only in their brains, but also along their spinal cords and throughout their bodies. Even after decapitation, some residual neural activity may persist in the spinal cord and peripheral nerves for a brief period. Reflex arcs. Reflexes are automatic responses to stimuli that do not require input from the brain. Snakes possess reflex arcs, which are neural pathways that allow for rapid and involuntary responses to certain stimuli. Even after decapitation, these reflex arcs can continue to function, causing muscle contractions and movement in response to external stimuli. Muscular activity. Snakes have powerful muscles, including those responsible for movement and defense mechanisms such as biting. Even after decapitation, these muscles may retain some residual energy and can contract in response to stimuli, causing the severed head to exhibit biting or thrashing movements. It's important to note that while a decapitated snake may exhibit reflexive behaviors such as biting or moving, these movements are not indicative of conscious awareness or pain perception. Decapitated snakes are no longer capable of conscious thought or sensory perception, as their brains are no longer functioning. In summary, the ability of snakes to exhibit reflexive behaviors after decapitation is due to residual neural activity in their spinal cords and peripheral nerves, as well as the presence of reflex arcs and residual muscular energy. However, these movements are involuntary and do not indicate conscious awareness or pain.